Today I'm going to show you how to do a pop 180 round for the Upraiz Tricking curriculum. Let's check it out. I'm Anthony and welcome to Upraiz channel. It's all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so that you can excel at the sport. If you're not sure how to do a pop 180 round, hopefully this video can help. And before continuing this video, I recommend that you have completed level 1. If you have not, you can click right there for that level. So when you start this move, you're going to be starting in a backside stance looking forward at your target. You're going to jump off both feet at the same time, turn your body and throw your round kick, and then finish the move landing in a frontside stance. Now don't forget to work on this with a follow through. You can also use a spin setup, and you can also use a spin and a follow through to get a bunch of momentum for this trick. Now let's go ahead and break this move down into progressions. First progression is going to be a pop round, so just jumping up, landing back down, and throwing your round kick. The second progression is going to be a pop zero round. Basically the same thing, you're just going to be jumping up and throwing your round kick in the air. And now all you're going to be doing is you're going to be starting in a backside stance and adding a 180-degree rotation to the move. And that's your pop 180 round. Also, when you do this move, make sure that you're pushing through the balls of your feet when you jump, and also make sure that you're landing on the balls of your feet. And always try your best to spot your target when you kick. Let's check those out one more time. So that's it for today's video. I just want to say thank you to all the patrons who are supporting this channel. It means so much having a group of people that believe in this as much as I do. Here at Upraiz, I'm all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so that you can excel at the sport. Next, we'll be going over a cheat 180 round, aka tornado kick. And it'd be awesome to have you with us. Stay motivated, keep growing, Upraiz. I promise that's going to be the last time I do a tornado kick tutorial too. So, yeah.